Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to make you some chicken bacon sliders. And here we go, right here you guys. So I have my chicken here and I have my bacon over here. Still got a little bit to go. So I'm going to start to put this together you guys. And once I put it together, I'm going to be right back. Right back. Okay, you guys. Now I'm about to add my ranch. Can y'all see me? I hope y'all can. Ranch over here. And I also add a little of this too, you guys. Just a little bit. Squeeze. And we're going to get at a stir. So how are you guys' afternoon? Mine's going pretty well. Okay, here's my bacon here. And over here, can you guys see that where I split my buns in half? Okay. Can you guys see? Okay. So I'm just going to let this heat up over here. I got my oven already preheated, you guys. And what I'm about to do now is melt some butter in a bowl. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys, everything is about to be plated up. Let's see, can I pull you down a little bit so you can see? Okay. So, here's my chicken. I don't know, can you guys see this? In the wrong light. Oh, maybe better light. Here's my chicken with my ranch in here. So, you spread it all through the chicken. All through the rolls. And spread it out evenly. I'm going to show you guys a close-up. Hot, 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 hot. And you can add whatever you want to put on yours, you guys. And just spread it out evenly. Hot. I'm going to add some Mexican blend cheese on some and some provolone on the other. My oven is done. And I'm going to add some sprinkled cheese. I'm going to bring it up closer so you guys can see it. You can add how much less. It depends on what you like and what your taste. And also, I have made this with pepper jack cheese. Okay. Then now I'm gonna get my bacon. This is hot. Very hot, you guys. Woo. Look at this fork. Oh, is this down or what? Some people use bacon bits, but I like homemade bacon. Okay, so let me pull you guys in so you all can see so far. Okay. And I also, if anybody want tomatoes or onions, that's afterwards. So I have it here. And you break your bacon and put just a little bit more cheese, you guys. Ooh-wee. Then now I'm going to put the top on here. Okay. And I have my melted butter here. I'm going to take it and sprinkle the butter on top of the bun. And these are Hawaiian rolls, you guys. They're not buns. So, they are Hawaiian rolls. Make sure you get it all over there. On the sides and everything. Okay. Then I sprinkle it with a little paprika. I'm sorry, a little parsley flakes. Okay. So far, this is how it looks. Okay. So I'm about to wrap it up and put it in the oven, and I will be back. Okay, you guys, everything is ready, and I'm gonna show you. That's how they look. Butter rolls, you guys. So let me try to hold this at an angle. Let's see. While I hold this one, this stuff is hot. Can you guys see that? Look at that cheese pull. Ooh-wee. So you guys, I thank you for watching, and I will be back with another video, and bye-bye for now.